subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Welcome to eTimes TV, Ashish. How have you been?
All good, just working, shooting.
Okay. So, firstly, tell us about your show that you're working on, and how does it feel to have a project in times like these, like where people are just struggling for
So,
jobs, where there's
yeah.
and you have a very good show in hand, and you had a good show previously too. So, how does it feel?
Yes. So, I'm doing this show on ZTV, Tere Bina Jiya Jaye Na. And I'm really grateful because last time when I was working in Kasauti Zindagi Ke, that time this pandemic was on peak. So it was like 2020 June I started shooting. So it was like the pandemic was on the peak, and I was shooting for Kasauti Zindagi Ke. So I'm really grateful and really thankful that I'm working now also with on a very good project.
And we see a lot of photos of yours with Anjali on Instagram, and you play her on-screen brother in the show. So, how is
Yeah.
that equation? How has it evolved?
Okay, so initially we were reading for the part, we were rehearsing for the part, and I started reading my lines with her. That time it was okay. So we were traveling together to Udaipur, and her mother was with her, and so Anjali doesn't have a real brother. So her mother told me कि मेरा कोई लड़का नहीं है और I don't know from that day I started getting a vibe of a sister from Anjali. So we treat like literally apart from the screen, we treat each other like brother and sister. छोटा भाई बड़ी बहन, like that only. And it is coming up very beautifully on, like people told me, on screen and off screen too. Like people literally started asking me, are you a real brother or a cousin of Anjali? मैंने कहा no, we just met before the show.
That's really sweet, I mean, it makes you,
Yeah.
it boosts your confidence also to have somebody
Yeah,
around you at your workplace who keeps on motivating you.
yes.
Yeah, how does
it
she
it
help?
helps. She helps me in a lot of ways. Like हमेशा जैसे yesterday I met her after this whole Diwali break and all. So she was telling me, अरे तूने तो इसमें विदाई वाले सीन में बहुत अच्छा किया है, मजा आ गया ये वो. And I always appreciate her, like whenever she's shooting. तो अगर मैं मेरा सीन अभी 2 सीन के बाद है, so what we do, we rehearse, like quick rehearse lines and all. अगर सिर्फ उसकी लाइंस भी हैं तो, और अगर वो शॉट दे दे तो I go and sit on the monitor and see कि how is she doing. So yeah, we have that kind of a bond.
How did you bag this role? Did you audition for it, or how did this fell in your?
Yeah. So yeah, first I auditioned for my part Yash only. Second time also I auditioned for Yash. So they were shortlisting people. They might have auditioned like 50 or 60 guys, whatever, I don't know. So they auditioned me. They told me that we really liked it, and now Z also liked it. But we want to audition you again in a different look. So they gave me a little brief. Then I auditioned it, and it came out. I hope so. It came out good, so I got the part.
Um, Also, you worked with Kasauti. Your first show is Kasauti Zindagi Ki.
Yeah.
How does it feel to back such a big project? पहले ही like पहला project कैसा
Yeah.
like, does it help you to climb the ladder in your career? Has that been for you?
See, so I auditioned for बालाजी का दूसरे शो के लिए.
अच्छा.
Okay, so and in this pandemic time, they called me up and they were like, कि यार हमारा दूसरा शो है कसौटी जिंदगी के. We liked your audition. So would you like to play this part in this show, कसौटी जिंदगी के? I was like, why not? Then I came back to Bombay and I started shooting. Yeah, it boosts your confidence because whenever and wherever you tell people that I was a part of कसौटी जिंदगी के, पहली बात तो ये कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है कि यार 20 साल पहले तुम एक्टिंग कर रहे थे, कितने छोटे थे। मैंने नहीं, ये वाला जो अभी ये बंद हुआ है, जो भी आया था 2 साल पहले। तो एंड देन पीपल गिव अ वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स। उन्होंने शो देखा हो या ना देखा हो, बट इट हैज अ ह्यूज लेगेसी कि यार मतलब कसौटी जिंदगी के, यार इट्स अ बिग शो, सो पीपल विल बी गुड।
Yes, you always wanted to become an actor because you've done modeling, you've walked the ramp, you've done a lot. You've done so. Was getting into acting your main motive, or modeling was your priority initially?
So initially I had no idea about this because I come from a very, like from a small town, and I had no filmy background, तो बहुत दूर की बात है। मेरा मुंबई में कोई रिश्तेदार भी नहीं था, कोई ताऊ चाचा कोई नहीं। So and I was studying in Delhi, so I was in Delhi for 6 7 years for my schooling, college and all. So in last year of my college I started getting into this thing, modeling. Hey yaar, I want to get into modeling, I'll do something, देखते हैं क्या होता है। So I started working in Delhi only, थोड़े थोड़े shows करने start किए, रैम shows। Then I shot for few brands like Urban Clap and all. And then after that, I got lucky, and there was this international modeling agency. They scouted me and they got me in Bombay. They gave me an apartment to live, and they gave me good projects. So second day of my career, we can say career, I got a commercial, like a big commercial. एंड मुझे लगा यार ये तो बड़ा इजी है, आपको एक वीडियो बना के भेजना होता है, उधर से वो आपको हाँ बोल देते हैं। बट देन देयर वाज अ ब्रेक फॉर लाइक 2 3 months when I had no work, and then I got one work, then there was a break for 3 4 months, and I was like ऐसे कैसे चलेगा। But when I was in college that time also, I was very much inclined, like I really wanted to do acting and modeling, but modeling was, I think modeling is very uh, very glamorous work. Okay, you feel अरे वाह यार, people will see you on hoardings, people will see you on ramp and this and that. तो फिर उसके बाद I started doing theatre. I did theatre for 2 3 years in Delhi and in Bombay, and I was waiting for the right part, a right work. Then I got कसौटी जिंदगी के, and then now I got तेरे बिना जिया जाए ना, which I'm really grateful for.
Okay, so that's really nice. I mean, despite having no connections and coming in the city all by yourself, and
Yeah.
इतना फिर भी मतलब बहुत से लोग हैं जिनकी तो जर्नी मतलब स्ट्रगल ही खत्म नहीं होता है, साल दिन निकलते जाते हैं, स्ट्रगल खत्म नहीं होता है।
See, I don't know, people will relate to it or not, but I don't like this word struggle, because struggle, if you are having food to eat, a place to live, and you have clothes to wear, then struggle उन 3 चीजों का बेसिकली होता है। अब इंटरनेट का भी होता है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इन 3 चीजों का तो होता है। अगर if I always love to say this word, polishing. So when I was in theater, my teacher told me this thing कि I think if people are polishing themselves, the moment they will start getting that edge, they will start getting work. थोड़ा हाँ लक फैक्टर होता है, फॉर श्योर होता है, आई कैन नॉट डिनाई दैट, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट सब अपने आप को पॉलिश कर रहे हैं। people are trying to become better every day, and yeah, they will start getting their own things, what they deserve and what they want.
Has there has it ever happened to you that you've been taken on board and then due to some reasons you've been replaced, or ऐसा कभी हुआ है? Because usually होता है ये इंडस्ट्री।
Lot of time. एक बार हुआ तो मैं बता दूं कि यार इस बार हुआ था, इस बार नहीं हुआ। आई गॉट शॉर्ट लिस्टेड, तो मैं काउंट ही नहीं कर सकता, आई कैन नॉट काउंट ओनली, you have been shortlisted for this, please release your date, after 2 days you get this call. Once I remember I was about to shoot a commercial with Priyanka Chopra, and I was really excited. And they gave me a confirmation, they gave me a budget and all, everything was done, and I was so sure कि ये मतलब मुझे जाके कल शूट ही तो करना है. And they told my casting person, the production team और जो भी, that it is not happening, postponed हो गया, अभी नहीं कर रहे, because I think they told मतलब my manager or my casting person
So
कि प्रियंका इज ट्रैवलिंग टू अमेरिका, तो जब वो वापस आएंगे तब करेंगे. मैंने कहा ठीक है चलो, अब होगा, कुछ दिनों बाद होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट डे आई गॉट अप, मैं फेसबुक ऐसे स्क्रॉल कर रहा था, तो मेरे जानने वाला एक लड़का वही पार्ट कर रहा है. एंड आई वाज लाइक I told my casting person कि भाई ये क्या हुआ है. Then also they started कि नहीं हम बाद में करेंगे, उसका पार्ट अलग है, this that. But ऐसा तो बहुत होता है, मतलब you are about to do it, tomorrow you are shooting and you are not shooting now. But you cannot fight with anyone for that because उसमें बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं और उस पर तुम्हारा कंट्रोल नहीं है. जिस चीज पे कंट्रोल ना हो तो उसके लिए फाइट करना बेकार.
So how do you maintain your sanity all this while as an actor?
So what I try to do, I don't know, this is my function. So when I am not shooting and I'm at my home or in my bed or I'm doing something, so I try to do my own work आराम से अच्छे से, so I can get thoughts. And apart from that, I watch a lot of videos which are not connected to acting, which about this the whole world, the universe, or our country, or anything. And apart from that, I try to listen to a lot of music. I love to play guitar, so I keep doing all these kind of stuff. And I watch वो सभी करते हैं यार. I watch a lot of movies, वो तो सब actors करते हैं. But I think आपको जो बेसिक क्राफ्ट सीखना होता है ना, उसके बाद you have a lot of space to discover yourself as an actor. कि अब एक सीन है, if I narrate you one scene, आप अलग तरीके से करेंगे, मैं अलग तरीके से करूँगा, कोई और अलग तरीके से. So you have to explore your own way उस चीज में रह के. So I try to think about it और बस यही सब करता हूँ जिससे कि चीजें I should be mentally stable कि ठीक है यार, कोई नहीं, आज नहीं तो कल नहीं तो परसों. Because in this show also, तेरे बिना जिया जाए ना, I got shortlisted for 3 different projects and one of them was very big, like very big. और वही हुआ, तुम करने वाले हो कोई और कर गया.
If it doesn't affect you in any way, would you mind revealing the name? Only if it doesn't affect you or your career. The name of the show.
The name of, let's leave the name of the show because it's not on air now because वो नहीं चल पाया show. I don't know. तो जो भी हुआ अच्छा हुआ. I think so.
I was saying nowadays, like we can say after the COVID lockdown, many shows came up, many TV shows, but they all have been
Yes.
short-lived. 1 महीना, 1.5 महीना, 4 महीना. So एक fear होता है ना मन में when you work on a new project. So नहीं होता.
I told you this thing only. The things which are not in my control, I don't fear about them.
Right. Okay.
I fear about my craft. I fear about my skills. I don't like not fear. I wanna make them better. But show चलेगा या नहीं? Show की TRP कितनी आएगी? Show 3 महीने में बंद होगा या 3 साल में बंद होगा? I don't think about it यार, क्योंकि वो मेरे हाथ में ही नहीं है, तो मैं क्या सोच के करूँगा?
apart from daily soaps, would you want to do reality shows like Roadies, Splitsvilla, uh, Big Boss? Are you interested in doing all of that?
See, I think I love to do fiction. I love to do fiction because I love to be in the skin of some other person, like some character, and play it khul ke. So people will not gonna judge me, or they will feel कि this is the character जो भी गलत भी और अच्छा भी कर रहा है तो ये character कर रहा है आशीष नहीं कर रहा. And about reality shows, see, reality shows has a very good thing in that them कि they give you a very good fame, which is very good. But as of now, I think I want to do fiction only. But I never want to say I have a quote. Okay, never say never. But you never know what you started liking because जो आज से 5 साल पहले मैं पसंद करता था शायद आज नहीं करता. शायद 5 साल बाद में कुछ और पसंद करने लगूंगा. So you should never say no, like no. But yeah, you never know.
Ashish, I saw one of your pictures and I was scrolling your Instagram. I came across a picture of yours with Sushant Singh Rajput. I mean,
Yeah.
how well did you know him, or what kind of an equation did you share with him, or was it like just a one-time meet? What was it?
Yeah, one time meet because I shot with him for Sonata ka commercial. Nothing else. I shot with him once, like I think 2.5 years back. Sonata का एक commercial आया था. So I was also there for 2-3 shots.
Okay, so that's all, Ashish. Thank you so much for talking to us, and it was really nice talking to you.
Thank you, Gayatri. It was lovely to have a conversation with you because it was very, very natural, very normal, light thing. So yeah, it was really good.
Thank you so much, Ashish. All the best for your future projects. Do well.
Thank you.